Meron tayong tinatawag na different kinds of radicand. Okay, ito yung number 1. Meron tayong tinatawag na perfect radicand. Ano yung perfect radicand? Tandaan na ang radicand na tinutukoy natin ay yung nasa loob ng square root or radical sign. Okay? Example ng ating perfect radicand is square root of 4, square root of 9, square root of 1, square root of 25, square root of 16, square root of 36, square root of 49, square root of 100. Okay, yan yung tinatawag nating perfect radicand dahil meron tayong tinatawag na perfect root sa ating given radicand. Okay, now, ano naman yung pangalawa? Ang pangalawa naman ay tinatawag nating composite radicand. Pag sinabing composite radicand, ito, ang ating radicand ay may factors na may perfect square.